I have puppets and fidgets. I want to show you them. Because I never had a video about my fidgets. They're new, but they're getting old. So, I'm going to put it right here. First fidget. You can hear that I have fidgets. Guess what puppet? It's round. Okay, you can't guess it. This is the puppet. I have no idea why it has this in the hole. But yeah. But this is real. But puppets are fun. So you should own one. They're like in stores. I just found out there's puppets in Dollar Tree. I even found mini pop tubes. Oh, I spoiled it. Sorry guys. But this is my fidget. Okay, here's my first part. Okay, I have some more. Because I had to go into a different room. I got this mini fidget. I'm so hot. This is keychain. I got it because I really wanted the guitar one. Give me a bunch of likes and subs so that I can buy more fidgets for more videos. Among Us. So this is Among Us puppet. I got quite a few of these. This is a newer one I have. That's pretty sick. So yeah, I got some cool fidgets. You might be seeing like you're missing it. No, I'm not. But here's my Among Us puppet. My friend Cashton, or my friend Cash, actually has some cool fidgets. He has a gaming controller. It looks like an Xbox controller. And he has Godzilla and Donkey Kong puppets. They actually are puppets. Got this other one, and it's very old. Because whole here, that, I think there's a hole right here. No, there's a hole right here, and some weird thing right here. But this is old, but it still works. It's still a puppet. I got this one from Florida. This one was from my birthday. Yeah. I'm just gonna throw it onto the ground. This one was from Christmas. This was during summer. This was during summer too. This was during summer in Florida. Guess what? Somebody's bag got burnt onto their skin. This one broke a little. I don't know how. It just like popped. And since some people are saying stuff in the comments, I'm going to say their name. I don't know why I said that. This one was from Dollar Tree. It's blue. I love it. It's a little stop sign shape. Oh, let me. This is like the tough side. I swear, I got this puppet from it. I was going to get the car puppet, but I couldn't because my mom didn't want to buy it. I didn't have money on me. I only had like quarters. Well, but this video is necessarily showing all my poppets. So yeah, this is a great poppet. Hold on. Be right back. I just found this right in front of my door. But here's another Among Us poppet. I got this one from Christmas too. Got this one from Christmas too. So ain't that cool? Actually, I had 3 puppets from school. Be right back again. Got a fidget spinner. Look how sick it looks. Got fidget spinner. I can even do this trick. Just keep on looking, guys. Ta-da! But yeah. Got a fidget spinner. I don't know if that counts as a fidget team. This one got a broken hole in it, so I replaced it with a... I got this. I was kind of surprised. I like it. So it's another Among Us poppet. Yeah. Another Among Us poppet. So yeah. Oh, that is loud. I got another one. These are what pop tubes are. They're just like, okay, listen to this. Isn't that cool? That's what pop tubes are. They're just like tubes that pop. They're necessarily like tubes that pop. And what's cool about pop tubes, they actually do this. Look, they can expand. Look, it's still stuck together. Ain't that cool? So necessarily what pop tubes are, they're just like tubes. Does it count as a fidget? Not this, something else. It's way smaller than this one. Like, it looks like this fidget, this pop tube. And it's from a straw. And it sounds like a pop tube. This one I accidentally sat on because, well, let me show you. because look, accidentally sat on it. I'm gonna ask my parent to fix it. But yeah, and also, oh, there it is. I was missing that, but look, it's just like the mini pop dude. Look. Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna make one more check around the house, see if there's any other fidgets, okay? I'm gonna say okay. Okay, do we have other ones? But they're mochis. I don't know where my mochis are. Oh yeah, they're at my mom's house. But yeah, that's all my fidgets. I hope you had a good video. I'm gonna do another video with him. Sorry. But I just realized next video. Oh yeah, I can do it on a piece of sheet of paper. Yes, I would do it on a piece of sheet of paper. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. We got so much videos to post. Okay, like and subscribe if you like my fidgets. Bye bye.